We are pleased to announce that we have just launched integration with Slack, your prized team collaboration solution. This integration brings the power of net2phone's unified communication solutions right inside of Slack to create a seamless collaboration environment that gives you the ability to make phone calls, listen to voicemails, control call forwarding for when you're out of the office, and even launch private and group video conferences using net2phone's telephony and Huddle video conference solutions. Your Slack administrator will need to find the Slack app by going to net2phone.com and selecting the Slack integration option under Key Features. On this page, they'll find an Add to Slack option. Once they have added Slack to your organization, you will be able to access all of the cool features of net2phone from inside Slack. Let me show you how. Slack uses / commands to control the apps that have been integrated within it. The command is known as / net2phone. If you first run this, you'll see a login option. Click Login, and you'll be taken to an authentication page. Enter in your credentials and click Authenticate. Once that is done, you can return to Slack. Next, run /net2phone /help. This option will show you all of the core features in the net2phone integration. There's more, but we'll show you that in just a minute. After you've logged in, you have the ability using / net2phone to start a new huddle using our video conferencing solution called Huddle. You can turn off call forwarding. You can turn on call forwarding as well. I'll show you that in a moment. You can search for team members, call a phone number, or even log out of your account. A very commonly used feature, net2phone call, followed by a phone number, will actually place a phone call to that destination number. It's ringing my desk phone now. I'm going to answer that desk phone.
Please hold while we process your call.
And it's going to ring the destination phone, which is my cell phone, here in just a moment.
Please hold while we process your call.
And I've answered that call on my cell phone. And now I'm connected to my cell phone. You can make any outbound call to any destination number so long as it is in your calling plan using this feature. The next thing I want to show you is a function that is available only in channels. If you go to a channel, you'll need to invite at net2phone. You'll see the net2phone app. You'll see it's currently not in my channel. I'm going to go ahead and invite it to my channel. Once I do that, it's going to give me some additional capabilities. I have net2phone notification. And if I type in /net2phone notification, it's going to give me a couple of options. The first thing I want to do is set up events. These events enable net2phone to publish events into your Slack channel. Those events include voicemail notifications, missed call notifications, and new message notifications. So if I enable each of these options, I now will receive notifications of new voicemails, missed calls, and new messages for my user. I could also select this for any other user I choose. You should let each user who wants to receive notifications in your channel publish their own events. Now, if I receive a new phone call to my net2phone number, I should get an event in Slack. There you hear the incoming call happening on my desk phone, and I will subsequently leave a voicemail. Hello, just leaving a test voicemail. You can see here that I've received a new voicemail. I can click on Get Voicemail, and I can even play the voicemail right here inside of Slack. I can mark it as read, I can make a call back to that number, or I can just delete the voicemail. In this case, I'll go ahead and delete the voicemail, and I get a confirmation saying the voicemail has been deleted. The next thing I'd like to show you is how to enable call forwarding. So if I say /net2phone, I can click on a button here called Call Forward. Right now I have call forwarding turned off, But if I wanted to ring both my desk phone at my office and any call forwarding numbers, I could select ring all, or only select my call forwarding numbers if I don't answer my desk phone, or just forward everything, or only if my desk phone can't ring. For example, if I lost power to my office, then ring my cell phone for those incoming calls. For now, I'm going to say, you know what? I want to ring everything. I'm going to be out of the office for a while. Just ring my cell phone as well as my desk. That's fine. All I have to do is click save, and call forwarding is now enabled. When I return to the office, I can simply come in here to Slack and I can say /net2phone, FWD for forward, off. And it will turn call forwarding back off. The last feature I'd like to show you is probably the most widely used. It's the ability to create new Huddle video conference meetings on the fly. All you have to do is type /net2phone huddle, and it will create a new huddle, giving you the room password, giving you the dial-in number and the dial-in PIN, and conveniently a button to say just join huddle. Everyone in this channel is able to have access to this same huddle. All they have to do is click the green button. And that's a quick overview of the new net2phone Slack integration. Download it now and check it out.